Alright, Frosty back here with the Friday recap. I am gonna run through this fast as we can. Let's see. Alright, yeah, we're still on Friday. Okay, this was the end of Friday, going into Sunday. Open, and boom, we gap up. Okay. Pretty huge gap up. Looking to take first couple of tags, or scalp tags especially. Wait to see if it's on. There's a good little dip from it. Alright, and looking good. Great out. Ooh, great out, but still pretty good. Bad area to buy now because this resistance. Okay, now we broke above the resistance. Oops, meant to buy 3. We'll do the usual 3. We got one big grayed out scalp. Now we got 2 big grayed out smalls. These are both primo tags, but also grayed out. Grades on them. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, 9, not bad. This one has better score, but let's keep our long. That'd be the ending spots. A lot of tags. These are reversal tags, all these. I'm just gonna take this off and see how this plays. Yeah, okay. I'm breaking up above that resistance area. I can buy back in. Probably about where I took it a little bit more, but go back for our profit. And now we're hitting midnight. This looks a lot like a reversal top. Maybe just consolidate here. I'd take this off and probably go to bed, but let's go through. I should be on the 15th erasure. That's what the freaking problem is. Alright, let's try that. And we've been uptrending. Yeah, I would have gotten these reversal signals though, but we're in an uptrend, so really this should be in uptrend and not range. Oop, what am I doing? Put this in uptrend. It did nothing. Oh, there. It's switched. Now at least these get some color on them. Just so you can fight these ones a little bit. So if you recognize you're in an uptrend, you should be taking the scalp trends, which are bounces within the trend, versus these. Now we're starting to look a little toppy, but keep playing and see through what happens. Poor time of night. Just melting up. Would hit my original TP right there. Looks like we're going for the next level up, kinda. Nope, coming back down. Oh wow. Test the main pivot right there. Alright, that's a good buy. So let's oh, tag just disappeared. No, there it is. Okay. Take profit. Boom. Okay. Now we are hitting into New York Open. A small tag. Let's take one more bar. Oh shoot, we should move to the 5 actually. For New York. Nothing much really. We can set this maybe to range again. Move this setting up, make this easier, but alright. Now, wait and see. And still on the upside. No divergences. There's one. Trailing up. Probably trying to be greedy, get him a little more. See if we hit that level. We hit that level. Let's see. Do we turn around? We do. Right off that level, man. Alright. And then we had a big tag, which just disappeared. Let's see if it sticks. Big blue tag. So we are gonna sell. We're selling into an uptrend, but we're gonna give it a shot. Stop loss goes right up. Yeah, we're just moving up. So we're gonna switch back to uptrend. You can also tell that we're in an uptrend because of the VWAP. Put the VWAP in. This checks how many crosses, how many times it crossed the VWAP, and it checks what the percentage does of the VWAP during this time frame. Right? So since open, we haven't touched the VWAP and we've been above 100%. Now, statistically, that means we are going to end in an uptrend. So we'll see how this goes. All right, there we go. I was looking for a scalp tag. So buy, stop loss, profit. Move that down a little bit. Two tags now. This is an excellent trade. Ah, come on. I still want that trade. Now we're going into the end of the night. Looks like it's not going to happen. Into this session, just moving sideways after this whole big up. It's terrible. There's no trade time. You know, maybe right here you could take it and you'd be how many hours through the chop are you gonna sit and like threatening to go up, threatening to go down, doing nothing. Switch to the 15. Get through this. Yeah, you get something, we'll buy. Alright. Trail. Gonna be wrapped. It's not really moving. Alright, now we're moving. Ooh, alright, now we're getting reversals. Oop, I don't know where that was. Come on. Alright, now we're getting reversal. Let's sell. Stop loss. Take profit. Reversal signs. Okay. What are we doing so far? Terrible drawdown. Yeah, last few trades. Thought so. Okay. Bunch of losers in a row. It's alright, that's what happens. Right, we're coming into New York Open. So we will buy. Should be on the 5. I thought it was on the 5. Okay, let's see. Grayscale tag. good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's try and sell here. Not a great entry here, but come on. Yeesh. Terrible. That's probably a perfect time to sell again. So I'm watching, we're staying below this trend line here, so holding. Staying below the trend line, staying below the trend line, staying below the trend line. Staying below the trend line. Okay, that's a big jump up to that trend line, so let's put a cap right there on that puppy. Taking out. Wow, double bottom right off that level. Remember that trade now. That was a good one. I think I caught that one actually long. Different when you get time here. This I know is actually probably, I'm pretty sure, going up, so kind of a look ahead bias here. But I'll take this here off of the trend line now that we moved up. Oh, I could be wrong. Maybe it does that first. I don't remember. Getting to the end of the day anyway. Yeah, the great tags would have been good going down. Alright, that was. Alright, we're gonna scalp tag moving up here. Let's see what the next one does. Yeah, invalidated, but hit a level where we double bottomed. I'm gonna buy. This is a great spot because you can have a very tight stop loss. Yeah. Nice. Okay, it took me out. Looks like it's heading lower. We're heading to what, 2 o'clock. We can sell. Stop loss here. Sideways, we're going to the end of the day now. Got more tags going up. I'm more inclined to think up. I'm gonna take this off. And I'm not gonna do anything because it's too late in the day. Really good ones off that level. I am gonna do something. I'm gonna buy. Yeah. I gave it a shot. Wasn't really a CMI trade there. It's a good balance, but it might get close. Good balance time, but coming into the end of the day, we're just gonna keep going. See how we do now. That's better. Let's switch to 15. Get through Asia. Okay. Also want to turn on confirm tags. No. Okay, so we sell. Oh, damn. Now it's midnight. Let's just get through to 3-ish. Alright. Now, reversal. Let's see. Now we're hitting the main pivot. Now we get a reversal up. Back to main pivot. We're gonna buy it. Bit of the main pivot. Okay. Go. Ah, damn. Now we're hitting off a VWAP. Again. Just put it over here. Scalp tag. Damn. So now we're crossing VWAP a lot. Still spending time above, so it's still bullish. Alright, now we're in New York. We should be moving to the 5. Alright, that was the right buy spot. Alright, we just hit the right buy spot again. We'll try it. Okay, wide stop, but take it. Alright, now we're reversing off of the VWAP. So, we're going to trim. Now we are going to reduce risk. 2 candles down. Again, rejecting VWAP. Alright, now we're breaking it. And now we're not. We're coming back up here. I don't want to see it come back down here again. It's just coming into all these levels. It's got the trend line here, VWAP here, main pivot here. I'll chop fast when it's around these. Ooh, maybe not. Probably a little premature, but damn. Damn, shit. Lower. Whoa, holy shit. Diddy, holy fuck. Alright, well that's a big drop. And then reversal. Oh, right off of the, this was the gap. Opening gap. It's a good buy point right there. That signal, that's short. Short time. Give it a shot. Probably gonna get stopped. We did not, and we got this signal, which says up, but hey, and now we're bouncing off of here. Just take profit for there. Damn. Okay. W. Reversal. Alright, well, it's a great tag, not great scores. Oh, this was FOMC. That's what it is. News, fucking news. CMI isn't gonna work too well during news. I mean, I guess it did, but it's more jumpy. Like, if you took it here, you'd have to have your stop way down here to be at the low. But I mean, it was tagged on this, so, you know, you get stopped almost everywhere. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, here we get reversal. We're at end of day. Let's skip by. Okie dokie. And there we go. Oh, and then the day. So let's just get through here. Oh, let's switch to the 15. Get through Asia. Okay, Asia's open. Well, not Asia, but alright. Looks like we are just climbing up. We are above VWAP. Coming into a level, so we're gonna wait. Boom, busted right through. Holy moly. Ended. Alright, there we go. Now we're touching the trend line. midnight. Well, everything's pointing up. That was a bad candle to buy. Alright, come by there. It's a little better. So many tags on the 15. So sideways, so choppy. Oh, fuck. Alright, now we're in New York Open. Alright, let's get to the 5. Can already see us pointing down. Through here. This is a good buy spot. Right off the trend line. Not too far from the previous candle. Oh, fuck. Did the same thing the last few trades. Notice. This is terrible buy spot actually. It's right between the trend line and this freaking nothing level. Yeah. This is a good buy spot. Video app. This is definitely no longer an uptrend. And let's see, I think buy. Oops, I mean that. So, that's a good scalp tags. Down. I'm just gonna take it off. We're at this level. We keep having trouble getting through. Getting scalp tag. Yeah, so yeah, I don't trust this. This looks more rollovery, but looks like we could break out. Helping up to the level. It looks like we're more melting it up more than anything. These are some good tags. And Asia. I think we're almost done with this week, hopefully. Damn, it's been mostly flat for a while. This was a rough week. As you can see. The red tags were the ones to take, I guess. All these gray tags mean nothing. That's a good little bottom signal. That's there we go. Alright. Let's take one more bar. Damn. That would be down. Okay. One more bar. Alright, we broke the main pivot. I'll buy it. Okay. Shut up and it's moving. Let's see, it was moving down the whole time. Now we're moving up. So this is where you can tell when there's convergence, right? And this is also telling, right? Both were moving down at the same time. They both moved up at the same time here, here, you know. But here, they're really moving up. Moving up. Moving up. See, I'm not looking at these candles. I'm looking at this here. Bigger. See, now is where I'm looking, and I'm like, oh, yeah, that's not good. Now, we're gonna trail up here. Yeah, that scalp tag was good too. Got a couple bounces. That looks like a good long. Never you mind. Fuck. Ah, you bastard. Some nice self signals here, but it's not a bad one. It's a decent entry because you get this double top here. Oh shit. Alright. Yeah, there you go. Profits 32. Win rate 51%. Let's check out the stats. Pretty shitty week, honestly. I mean, good run up to start, terrible drawdown, good run up, and then moderate sideways drawdown up here. But, I mean, profit factor 2, 51. Not bad. Not bad. 41 trades. Long and short. Definitely do better long. Alright, there you go. That's it. Frosty out.